Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, as you know, that recently our Indian government has banned 59 Chinese apps, including ShareIt, TikTok, MI Video Call, Hello, Extender, etc. If you are also one of those who are looking for best ShareIt alternative, then this video is going to become very informative for you all. Watch this video till end so that you can learn about 10 best ShareIt alternatives apps for file sharing and transfer on phone and PCs. So let's start. The very first alternative is FilesGo. Google's own FilesGo is a wonderful file manager that has been designed to remove clutter on your Android phone. The app can automatically pick up hidden and discarded waste like unused APK files, duplicate files, good morning messages, etc., and then allows you to delete all of them at once. Now I am telling you about next type of alternative app. This is Zshare Desi File Sharing app. The Zshare app is made by Shravan Hegde, a 21-year-old BCA student in support of Boycott China movement in India. The Desi ShareIt and Extender alternative app also allow users to share files on the go without any hiccups. With Zshare app, users will be able to share as audio files, videos, documents, apps by establishing a peer-to-peer connection using WLAN network. This sharing app is available on Play Store for free. It has an appealing dark mode and users claim it offers faster transfer speeds in comparison to ShareIt and Extender. Now I am telling you about Send Anywhere. This is another type of alternative. As the name suggests, you could send any file type anywhere. You just need a one-time 6-digit key for an easy file transfer. No need for Wi-Fi or internet connection. You could also share files to multiple people at once via a link. Next is Zapaya. This is also a strong contender which checks all the boxes when it comes to being a ShareIt alternative. It features a universal search bar that will sweep all types of files such as apps, audio, video documents, etc. Next type of alternative it is Feem V4. Feem is a light app that can be used to transfer files among people on the same network across platforms. If both phones are not on the same Wi-Fi network, the receiver can create a hotspot using the app and the sender can manually connect to it for sending files. Next is EasyJoin. EasyJoin is another cross-platform file transfer tool that works for Android, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and with all popular web browsers. You get the list of all apps on the same network using EasyJoin and can share files with them. File transfers are end-to-end encrypted. Next type of app which we are discussing, that is TroubleShot. TroubleShot is an open source file transfer app that works only with the Android ecosystem. You can transfer data to other devices using TroubleShot on the same network or make a hotspot to receive files. You can also resume your downloads if any error occurs. Next one is Superbeam. Superbeam is one of the oldest and most comprehensive share it and exenter alternative available. The app, however, accesses on ads. This cross-platform file transfer app has an intuitive interface and is quite fast. Next type of app, it is MX Player. That's right, for Indian media playback app. MX Player also lets you as BN-V675 V-Share videos with its built-in MX Share feature. Using this MX Share feature on MX Player, you can share your videos and movies with the friends wirelessly. Next is GeoSwitch. GeoSwitch is another alternative to share it and has good reviews in the Play Store. The app has no ads. It supports file transfer between iOS and Android. There is no limit on file size and file types. I hope you must have got this information regarding the apps which can be used as alternative apps instead of using ShareIt. So that's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.